The objective for Matt, the ultimate goal is for him to be able to write a sentence. So our short-term goal is when given a picture clearly showing an action or event, Matt will create a meaningful sentence describing what is happening in the picture using the provided word cards with 100% accuracy in 4 out of 5 opportunities. So here we have a picture on a yellow sheet of paper. In the box we have color-coded sentence words, and they match the picture. And so what our student will do is they will look at all of the words, and using those words they will create a sentence about our picture. So we have this begins with a capital letter, so that goes at the beginning. This dog blows many bubbles. And we have a period to end our sentence with. This dog blows many bubbles. If it was in my classroom, it would be laminated and we would have Velcro so that the paper could all be kept together. The next picture is on purple paper, and we have purple words. That way, if they do get mixed up in the box, it's color-coded so the student knows which sentence goes with which words go with which picture. Our completed sentence for purple is the dog looks through the fence. Our next group is pink, and here's our dogs. And the completed product is 2 dogs wear silly hats. Again, this would be laminated and Velcroed on so that they would not fall apart when the student moves the page. The green sentence is, the kitten bites the dog's ear. We could move on to some sentences of predicting how that dog is feeling. The dog is annoyed by the kitten. Maybe that could be our next step. And our final sentence is, the dog jumps very high. And the next step up could also be that underneath here we could print a question. Why does the dog jump? And the words could be, the dog is trying to catch the ball, or something to have to add a little bit of comprehension to the activity, not just sentence structure. Once all of the sentences have been finished, here is the self-checking answer key. I colored the beginning of each sentence to help the student correct. This is our blue sentence, so the dog jumps very high, and if you look here, the dog jumps very high. If they were all laminated, it would be very easy for the student to just bring that piece of paper over to their desk and easily do that self-checking work. Another step that could move on from here for the next level of structured learning could be that, since Matt really doesn't mind going up to the board to help the teacher on the whiteboard, that Matt could use the dry erase marker to write one of the sentences on the board. And instead of on paper and pencil, I have had luck with getting my students to write on the board as opposed to on their desk. Or they could use the dry erase marker actually on the desk as well.